All right, guys, I'm back with the unit from Klaiyi hair. Yes, she's already up on my head. Don't judge me, judge your mammy, okay? I wanted to come through and give you guys the look before we got started because this is going to be an extensive video. I'm going to give you all the details of this Klaiyi unit, 24-inch curly. I'm going to give you the exact name of it. This is a Klaiyi Kinky Curly 13x4 lace front wig, okay? Virgin hair, pre-plucked. She's giving, okay? Love, sex, and the magic, okay? All the things we love, girls. So girls, gals, guys, whomever, them, days, ours, yes, she's, me's, hers, everybody, okay? This is a unit that you definitely need to check out. So I'm gonna shut my mouth and let y'all get into it.
Because you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
All right, my loves, let's dig into this unit from Klaiyi hair. So this is a kinky curly unit, okay? She has a 13x4 lace and she is absolutely stunning, okay? This unit... All right, guys, get into these built-in baby hairs. This unit has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. I am going to give you guys 2 different looks in this video, okay? One, just naturally what this unit looks like, really highlighting the lace. Then I'm going to come on through and get her together, braided down, okay? So I am going through darkening up the lace right now. I'm going through with a second coat of my Ebon lace tint that I absolutely adore. If you guys are looking for any products, whether it's glue or spray, hair tint, lace tint, I love Ebon products. I'm currently an affiliate, so make sure that you use my code INTERSTAR10 to get some coins off and to make sure I get a little bit of love, sex, and magic on the side, okay? So I'm going on through, and I'm going to get this unit together. I really want to make sure that you guys get a good look at this lace because Klaiyi hair really outdid themselves with this one. So I'm going to take my time, lay her down, give you guys a first look. Again, I'm going to come back on the second side, okay, on the B side, and give you guys a braided look as well. So you stay tuned, okay, for the buy one, get one free. So I just kind of went through and styled her up because I wanted to give you guys an idea of what the scalp and everything was looking like. Like, she's really providing. I think this unit is really, really freaking cute. Now, the hair, the texture of the hair is everything because it's like this kinky curly. Again, this unit is 24 inches when straight and like pulled out. She's going for about $259 on KlaiyiHair.com. So check them out. The unit is really, really beautiful. This unit, I like the hair. The scalp is insane. The lace is kind of what makes this unit, so you guys really need to like get into that because honest to God, that's what's really selling her. And she's got like a natural texture, which I like as well.
I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with. I said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream.
This is a unit from Klaiyi hair again, guys. Now this unit is really giving the texture of like 4A kind of hair. It's really, really beautiful. I went on through and just added some braids in. No, my parting, yeah, I know my parting space is all jacked up, but I never claimed to be a braider, okay? Like, damn, bitch, like, can I live? So, other than that, this unit is fire. The lace is fire, the unit is fire. I'm like really, 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 absolutely, positively happy with how she came out. I think she's really, really stunning. I don't have much to say except for when you get this hair, this is for the girls who really like big hair, like really big, really, really curly hair. My only issue with it is that it does shed, you know what I mean? But I'm trying to give her the benefit, like even now, I'm trying to give her the benefit of the doubt because she's curly, you know what I mean? But either way, it's kind of like annoying if we're being honest, you know what I mean? And I still think this is a stunning unit. Now, this unit is currently going for just about like $260 on KlaiyiHair.com. So you guys really need to check them out. She is a beautiful texture. Like, we cannot even fake the funk. I went through, as you guys saw, I added the braids. I even put like what it looked like without the braids in because I wanted to show you guys like how versatile this unit is. You could throw her back up into like a ponytail, anything like that. I chose to put the braids in her just to try something new or whatever the case may be. And honestly, I think it's giving. I really, really do. I think she looks really pretty. I mean, I'm looking like something out of like the 70s. And that's actually the look I was going for. Do I not? Should I be on Soul Train? This is my Soul Train jean. I never said it was good. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to practice for that, actually, now that I think about it. But this unit is really, really pretty. Again, she's 24 inches. Let me turn around. Okay, let me know if you can see my tracks in the back, sis. Let me know, because you know, that's not hot. And if we real girlfriends, you gotta let me know, right? What do you guys think? Like, be for real. Like, be for real. What do you think? I am, like, the curly units, I'm not really a fan of really super curly units, if I'm being honest. But the problem is that everybody else is a fan of me wearing super curly units. You know what I mean? I just think that they are like, they're a lot of maintenance. But then again, they're not. It's such a toss-up. It really, really is. Because if you wet her, you'll be fine. She does need like a curl definer because she'll give you like, can you guys see that? She'll give you like this. Like, you know what I mean? Which to me is like, you know, 4A, 4B hair. So, right? Is it 4? It's about 4. It's more 4A. It's more 4A. But I do think it could give a vibe. This is hot. I ain't gonna lie. It's a vibe. It's an absolute motherfucking vibe. Okay? So, and I really don't care what you say. I don't care how you feel about it. It's a vibe. Okay, so if you have not already, do me a favor, bust down, subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna be doing like a question and answers kind of thing soon, so you guys can get to know me more. I can reintroduce myself to you guys. If it's anything you want to know, bust down. Okay, put it in the comments and I'll be sure to take inventory and come back and do a video on that as well. But I'm done. Me and my husband got to eat. I don't know about y'all, but me and my husband got to eat. Okay, so I think he's gonna like this. He likes when I wear big hair. I wish I had little jewels. Next time, send me the jewels. Let me say that. I will see you beautiful mother jumpers later. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. And I'll see you on the other side. Bye.